Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Jazz music system. We'll cover everything from quick reboots to a complete factory reset, helping you troubleshoot common issues like frozen screens or no audio. This guide will help you restore your system's performance and clear any unwanted settings, ensuring your driving experience remains enjoyable. For minor glitches like a frozen screen or unresponsive controls, a soft reset or reboot is often all you need. Simply press and hold your infotainment system's power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. The system should then restart, clearing its temporary memory and resolving many common software hiccups without erasing your personal settings. If a soft reset doesn't resolve your issues, a factory data reset is the next step. This will restore your system to its original settings, erasing all user data and preferences. To perform this, go to your System Settings menu, then System, and select Factory Data Reset. You will need to confirm this action twice, so be sure to back up any important data first. After performing a reset, you'll need to repair your Bluetooth devices and re-enter any custom settings. It's also crucial to ensure your system has the latest software updates, which can often be done through the Honda Link app or by visiting a dealership. If problems persist, try disconnecting your car's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to fully drain residual power, or consult a professional for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.